Welcome back to Above Your City. Today, we're above Novo in Stockbridge, Georgia, a brand new address in the heart of Stockbridge. Luxury communities offering beautiful design 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartment homes in a vibrant and desirable neighborhood. Whether you're exploring the exciting attractions around town or enjoying the convenience of the on-site amenities like their state-of-the-art fitness center, there's always something to look forward to when you call Stockbridge home. Next up, the flats and villas at Mount Zion. This 210 unit community was completed in early 2023. Residents enjoy swimming pool, early learning center, community clubhouse, library, fitness center, community gardens, picnic pavilions, bark park, and much more. Exterior amenities are shared with villas at Mount Zion. Also, you will find other surrounding housing communities, the American Legion Department of Georgia, Mount Zion Primary School, Family Dollar, CarMax, BrandsMart, Kroger's, and a host of other services in the area. You will also find the Applegate Academy, the pathway to school readiness, research proven educational activities designed for your child's future academic success.